Iran has officially named Mojtaba Khameni as the country's new supreme leader, marking a historic and controversial transition in the Islamic Republic. Mojtaba Khameni, the 56-year-old son of the late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khameni, was elected by Iran's powerful assembly of experts, the clerical body responsible for choosing the country's top authority. The leadership change comes after the death of Ali Khamenei in a major airstrike on February 28 during the ongoing regional conflict involving Iran, the United States, and Israel. Mojtaba Khameni has long been considered an influential figure within Iran's political and security establishment. Although he held few official public roles, analysts say he maintained strong ties with Iran's powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, which has now pledged support for his leadership. His appointment is historic because it effectively marks the first time since the 1979 Iranian Revolution that Iran's highest authority has passed from father to son, raising debate about the future direction of the country's political system. International reactions have been swift. Some Western leaders have criticized the appointment, while tensions in the Middle East remain high as the conflict in the region continues to escalate. With Mojtaba Khameni now assuming the role of Iran's third supreme leader, the world will be closely watching how his leadership shapes Iran's domestic policies and its relationship with the international community.